What is the area of North Korea? 120,540 square kilometers. What is the capital and largest city of North Korea? Pyongyang. What is the official name of North Korea? Democratic People's Republic of Korea. The name Korea was derived from which word? Goryeo. What is the currency of North Korea? North Korean won. What is the official language of North Korea? Answer is Korean. What is the national symbol of North Korea? The Supang Dam under the Baekdu mountain with rice making up the border and the red ribbon below. What is the national anthem of North Korea? Aegukga, patriotic song. What is the motto of North Korea? A strong and prosperous nation. When National Day is observed in North Korea? Answer is 9th September. When Liberation Day is observed in North Korea? Answer is 15th August. When the Day of Songan is observed in North Korea? 25th August. When the Day of the Sun is observed in North Korea? 15th April. When the Day of the Shining Star is observed in North Korea? 16th February. Who is considered to be the founder of North Korea? Kim Il-sung. What is the national flower of North Korea? Answer is magnolia. What is the national bird of North Korea? The northern goshawk. What is the national tree of North Korea? Answer is pine. What is the national mountain of North Korea? Mount Paektu. What is the national dish of North Korea? Answer is kimchi, same as the South Korea. What is the national sport of North Korea? Answer is Siryam. The history of Korea begins with what? The founding of Joseon. What is the previous name of Joseon? Answer is Gojoseon. Who is the founder of Gojoseon? Answer is Dangun Ongjeom. When the Han Dynasty defeated Women Joseon? In 108 BC. Who conquered Gojoseon in 313? Goguryeo. What are the kingdoms of three kingdoms of Korea? Goguryeo, Baekje and Silla. What is the largest and most powerful among the three kingdoms of Korea? Answer is Goguryeo. Who established Goryeo as the successor state of Goguryeo? Answer is Wonjeon. When Wonjeon united the three kingdoms? In 936. When Japan invaded Korea? In 1592. Who declared the new name of Korea as Joseon in reference to Gojoseon? Lee Seong-gi. Which Korean admiral famed for his victories against the Japanese Navy during the Imjin War? Admiral Lee Sam-sin. What is the name of the boat built by Admiral Yi Sun-sin? Turtle boat. When Sino-Japanese War started to influence in Joseon, Korea? In 1894. Who is the last Empress of Korea? Empress Myeong-seong. When a group of Japanese assassins murdered Empress Myeong-seong? In 1895. When the Joseon dynasty proclaimed the Korean Empire? In 1897. Who became the Emperor of Korean Empire in 1897? Answer is King Gojong. When the Russo-Japanese War pushed the Russians out of the fight for Korea? In 1904. When did Japan take over Korea? In 1910. Who was a Korean statesman who served as the last Prime Minister of Korea? Answer is Lee On-yong. When Provisional Government of the Republic of Korea founded? April 11, 1919. When Korea separates into two parts? In 1945 with the surrender of Japan. When the Provisional Government of the Republic of Korea dissolved? In 1948. Who was the first and last President of the Provisional Government of the Republic of Korea? Answer is Syngman Rhee. Who was administering the peninsula of North Korea after separation? Answer is Soviet Union. Who was administering the peninsula of South Korea after separation? Answer is United States. Who became the first president of North Korea? Kim Il-sung. Who became the first president of South Korea? Syngman Rhee. When Kim Il-sung was born? April 15, 1912. Kim Il-sung is the founder of which political party? The Workers' Party of Korea. When Kim attended Hwasong Military Academy? In 1926. When Kim joined the Communist Party of China? In 1931. When Kim Il-sung became the Premier of North Korea? 9 September 1948. When Kim became the President of North Korea? 28 December 1972. When Kim Il-sung was died? 8 July 1994. Where Kim Il-sung was buried? Kamsusan Palace of the Sun, Pyongyang, North Korea. What was the Cold War's first major conflict? Answer is Korean War. When Korean War started? 25th June 1950. Why Korean War was started? North Korea invaded South Korea. When Korean War ended? 27th July 1953. What formed the border between the North and South Korea prior to the Korean War? The 38th parallel north. When did the Korean War officially end? On 27th April 2018. When Kim Jong-il was born? 16 February 1942. When Kim Jong-il became the president of North Korea. 8 July 1994. When Kim Jong-il was died. 17 December 2011. Where Kim Jong-il was buried. Kamsusan Palace of the Sun, Pyongyang, North Korea. When Kim Jong-il received the title Generalissimo of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. 14th February 2012. What is the type of government in North Korea? Unitary One-Party Republic. What is the legislature of North Korea? Supreme People's Assembly. Who is the present president of North Korea? Answer is Kim Jong-un. When Kim Jong-un was born. 8 January 1984. When Kim Jong-un became the president of North Korea. 17th December 2011. Where North Korea is located. Eastern Asia. What is the longest river in North Korea? The Taedong River. What is the highest mountain in North Korea? Paektu Mountain. Where Paektu Mountain is located? Answer is Ryanggang, North Korea. Which countries have border with North Korea? China, Russia and South Korea. Which river separates North Korea from China? The Yalu River. How many provinces are there in North Korea? Answer is 9. What sea is located to the west of North Korea? Answer is Yolo Sea. What sea is located to the east of North Korea? Answer is Sea of Japan. How many cities in North Korea? Only one, that is Pyongyang. What is the population of North Korea? 25.55 million. What is the religion of the people of North Korea? Atheist. What is the largest stadium in the world? Answer is Rangrado, 1st of May Stadium, Pyongyang. Now some important facts about North Korea. Stone Age peoples arrived in North Korea about 6000 BC. Life in North Korea is completely isolated from the other parts of the world. You can smoke marijuana legally in North Korea. The birth year of Kim Il-sung, 1912, in the Gregorian calendar became Judge 1 in the North Korean calendar. Haircuts are approved by the Supreme Leader Kim Jong-un in North Korea. Kim Il-sung scammed Sweden out of 1000 Volvo 144 sedans in 1974 and to date has never made the payment. They have their own computer operating system. Government permission is required to own a computer in North Korea. They also have their own internet. Death penalties can be levied for distributing pornography, watching South Korean movies, and possessing Bibles. There is only one candidate to vote for in North Korean elections, which take place every 5 years. The demilitarized zone along the 38th parallel is the most heavily guarded border in the world. North Korea officially worships Kim Jong-il. There is a 3-generation of punishment policy in North Korea. NADA is North Korea's space agency. It is illegal to wear jeans in North Korea. It is a ritual to not celebrate birthdays on July 8 and December 17. Kim Il-sung and Kim Jong-il died on these days. Pyongyang is only for the elite groups of people. To this day, in North Korea, about 12 million people suffer from poverty and lack of basic human needs. Now some general facts about North Korea. Thanks for watching.